Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm going to show how to install free SSL for any cPanel. Like some cPanel not support free SSL auto renew. That's why this video I am create. So let's start this video. In this work we need to access your cPanel. So I'm already logged in my cPanel, and you can scroll down, then you can find your cPanel terminal. Here is advanced section and go to terminal. And here is you can already log in terminal. Then you can go to step by step code. This code in this my website link. I will include my video description. Here is my website link, and first of all you need to set up your acme.sh. This is one-time setup, just copy, and here is paste. Yeah, and my acme command already installed. That's why here is showing command is not found. So let's show where is acme file already installed, like cPanel and go file manager. Then you can show this is my acme.sh file already installed. That's why here is showing not found. Okay, no problem. That's why if you already not found, then you can go to next step. Here is step is set let's encrypt as default certificate authority. Just you can copy this code and paste here. Okay, then you can click enter, and my sense certificate default authority already sends. Then you can next step is register your email account. Just copy, and here is paste, and my register email account, just backspace, and here is paste my email. Okay, then here is show unknown email address info.alamin@. Okay, unknown parameter account. Okay, let me copy this code again, then go to your any code editor. Like here is my code editor, then here is paste. Here is remove and info.gmail.com, and again paste. Okay, yeah, now it's already registered. Then you can copy another section. Just copy here and go to your any code editor. My code editor like BS code editor, and here is copy here is you need to replace your domain name. My domain name is in this case sslseller.com. then we need to replace it, like here sslseller.com. make sure .com. okay, .com, and here is home, then username, my cPanel username. Here is net my cPanel username, this one. Okay, username this one. Then my website file location, go to your domain, then go to SSL seller, and here is my website file location, public underscore this one. Okay, go to file location, then okay, this is my file location. My code is ready. Now we just copy and paste it terminal. Okay, then click enter. Yeah, my SSL install now working. Okay, here is my SSL certificate. Then we need to install next step. Next step is auto deploy. Then just copy, and here is, you can paste, and your domain name example.com. Example.com, just replace it, domain name. Okay, I hope every code is ready now. Okay, then you can just copy and paste. Okay, then just copy and paste. Yeah, now is applying, deploying. Give me some time, it's still loading. Yeah, my SSL install is success. Then we need to check auto renew. Let me just refresh this website and let's see my website SSL is working or not. Just copy and paste this browser. Yeah, it's still not showing. I think it's browser caching issue. Okay, let's see another browser. Control Shift N. Yeah, see, my site SSL is now working. Okay, then we need to just set up key auto renew. We need to just confirm auto renew lifetime install. Then just copy this code and paste it here. Okay, my SSL code is now auto renew success. So in this case, this is optional. If you need to force use HTTP all traffic, then just copy this URL, copy this code and paste it. I don't need, because my website is WordPress. So in this work I will install by really simple SSL plugin and then redirect HTTP to HTTPS. So that's why that's it. My SSL is auto renew every 60 days. So that's it. In this video I will learn everything, how to install free SSL for SIS code. So if you need any question or any ask, feel free to message me, or if you need to hire in this service, you can contact my website. Here is my contact button and here is list talk button. I can help in this work, no problem. Thank you.